In this video, I'm going to go over drawing order, drawing scale, and how to do a hollow or a dashed fill on a polygon. We're going to start with drawing order, which is shown in the contents pane over on the left side of the screen. And drawing order is done from the top of the list to the bottom. So the fire districts are what's on the top of my list, so that's the layer that you can see. I can turn that off, and you can see the police department and street lines underneath, and as I go down the line, if I select each of these, you'll see the layer below. Now, it's a good idea to have your point and line layers at the top so that they're not hidden under a polygon, and rearranging stuff in the contents pane is super easy. You just drag and drop. So now the street center lines are the top thing you see, followed by the fire districts. Moving on to drawing scale, I'm going to keep selected on the street center lines. You can do this for any of the layers in your contents pane. You're going to go up to feature layer at the top ribbon, and it's over here on the top in the left where it says visibility range. So in beyond and out beyond, these are going to show your min and max drawing scales. If they have a number, it's a good idea to hit that little arrow and drop down and hit none so that it always shows. That way you don't go, wait, where did that layer go? Because you zoomed out a little too far. And your current scale is shown down in the bottom left of the map screen. And the final thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to do a hollow or a dashed fill on polygons. Both of these are done in the Symbology layer, which I already have up. If you do not have the I'm going to click over Symbology pane open, it's just a right click, and then you would hit Symbology and it'll open up this pane. Now, to get to where you can change I'm going to go and turn this off real quick. Change what the polygon looks like, you're going to click the little rectangle that's next to symbol, and it'll open up the gallery. From here you can choose to do one of the preset hollow fills, or you can go over to properties, color, and then no color. And I'm going to make the outline width a little bigger so you can see that it did in fact change that to a hollow fill. As I can turn off the layers underneath, and you can see them as they go down. We'll put it on there. Now to do there we go. A dashed fill, a hashed fill, we're going to put it in a garish color so it's easy to see. You're going to go under the Properties tab, you're going to hit Layers, which is this one that looks like stacked paper. And where it says Solid Fill, you'll change it to Hatched Fill. And it's not the easiest to see right now. You can change the color, you can change the line width, the angle, the separation, and the offset. So I'm going to increase the line width, and you can see that and we'll go back down to 2. Got darker. You can see well, that doesn't do great. The hatched fill. And then you can increase the separation, which is how far apart the lines are. You can see they're getting further apart. And you can also adjust the offset, which shifts the lines up or down. Don't really know much else on what that one does. I don't really use that. And as always, make sure you're saving your project while you're working so that something that you changed, that you need to stay changed, doesn't disappear on you.